Hi, I'm Amy Woodall with Durability and Design magazine. I'm sitting here with Ken Trimber, president of KTA. Ken, can you tell me what the purpose is of the quality assurance and quality control inspections?
Sure, yes, the QC inspections are performed by the contractor to make sure they're complying with the requirements of the specification or the manufacturer's data sheets. The quality assurance inspections are performed by the owner or their representative to make sure that the work is being done per the spec for their benefit.
What is the single most important reason to perform a quality inspection?
Well, I guess a single reason is to make sure that the specification is complied with, but also from a contractor standpoint, the QC inspections help him to verify that he's doing the work per the spec, and if there is a problem down the road, it may not be related to his work or his application or surface preparation. It may be a problem with the building, for example, itself. So it's a benefit to him to do it to protect his own interests.
And have you seen people failing to perform the inspections or failing to follow the results of the inspection?
Well, inspections aren't, independent inspections aren't real commonplace in the commercial industry. Some is being done. Now they'll do informal inspections, the painters and the superintendent while the work is being done. But it's not as formalized as it is in the industrial field. And I think because of that, sometimes when things might be pointed out in a QA inspection, you will find sometimes the contractors aren't accustomed to going back and doing the rework. But that is changing, that's improving. Everyone is starting to embrace quality, but there's sometimes resistance to go back and make changes to the process.
Do you have any advice for architects and specifiers as to what they should be aware of with inspections?
Well, I think at a minimum, they should do some spot checks of the quality of the cleaning, since ultimately that's probably the foundation where if you have problems, it's cleaning related quite frequently. I think they should at least do a couple spot checks during the work unannounced to make sure that's being done, and the quality of the application. So I think it is to their benefit to make sure that it's being performed per spec, so that if there's a problem down the road, they can determine why it happened, or better yet, to prevent that problem from occurring.
And what about contractors? What should they be keeping in mind with inspections?
Well, again, I think for the contractor, it is to their benefit to do inspections. And it's also a benefit to have independent inspections. So there was someone out there verifying that they did, in fact, do their work per spec. Because I believe sometimes contractors are blamed for problems that are not of their making, or manufacturers are blamed for problems that are not of their making. It's really related to problems with a building, for example, with moisture intrusion and things that are out of their control. So it's to their benefit to have independent quality tests run to show that they did in fact comply with the specification.